Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight, okay? But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course you can practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we'll be checking out the assets one after the other. These are the assets, and of course everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I will take it down to 5-minute time frame. This is 5-minute time frame, and of course, just the way we are seeing it, this had been on uptrend for a very long time, but right from there it was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it's trying to go back on downtrend. But right here it has got into this support zone, so it needs to break out below this support zone. That is when it can fully move on with the downtrend. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, but it needs to break out below that support zone. That is very, very important. The next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Still on 5-minute time frame, and of course we will be checking it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500. This had been on downtrend for a very long time, broke out from this support zone, and it came down till it got to this particular support zone. Right from here it has not been able to break out below this support zone, and of course it has been buying since then. Okay, it was unable to break out above this resistance, so it pulled back and it is approaching it again. Once it breaks out above it, then it will keep on buying. Okay, so that is very, very important. So this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, most especially once it breaks out above this resistance zone. Okay, so quickly it's going to be more of a buying than selling. Okay, most especially once it breaks out above that resistance zone. The next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, and just the way we have seen it, this had been on a very strong downtrend right from here, and it's got to this support zone. It will be trying it out again. If it breaks out below it, then it will keep on selling, but if it does not break out below this support zone, it will go back on buy trend. So this is still selling for now until it is unable to break out below that support zone. That is when it will go back into a buy trend. This is very, very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500, still on 5-minute time frame, and of course this has been on a very strong uptrend guys. It has been on a very strong uptrend. You can see it bought from here till it got to this resistance zone, pull back and went back up to break out from this resistance zone, and of course it is still buying at the moment. So this is buying at the moment until it is unable to break out be above that resistance zone. That is when it will start selling. Okay, the next asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75, and of course just the way we have seen it, these had been on a very strong downtrend right from there. Okay, you can see it has been selling from there, go back up, and of course it's still selling at the moment. And of course guys, even though it is approaching this support zone, if it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend. Okay, this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below that support zone. That is when it will go back into a buy trend. So this is very, very important. These are what we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do It's just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that will be that is yet, I mean, those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.